Hi, my name is Lily Ellicott, and today I'm going to be walking you through the process of bezel setting a fancy cut emerald. Now, this can be an intimidating project. I've heard a lot of jewelers, really excellent jewelers, who have turned down similar jobs to this because they lacked the confidence to chase down a bezel around a soft stone. I've heard industry professionals insist that bezeling something as soft as an opal or even a tanzanite is impossible without chipping or abrading a stone. But with these techniques, I'm confident that your next project is going to be a success. So with the ball burr, I'm just removing any of the areas that my setting burr couldn't reach. I'm just going to use my finger. This has several benefits over the sticky wax method. Firstly, I can use my finger as a buffer between the stone and my chasing tool. And there you go. Clean, bright edges, even bezel, and most importantly, a safe stone.